Hey everyone, wondering if you can connect your Cash App account to Rocket Money? In this quick video, we will clarify the situation and provide alternative solutions. Let's get started. Rocket Money allows users to connect various financial institutions to track spending. However, as of now, Cash App isn't directly supported for automatic linking. Unlike traditional bank, Cash App does not provide direct integration with Rocket Money. This means you won't find it in the list available accounts to connect. Even though you can link Cash App, you can still manually add your transactions in Rocket Money. Simply go to the transactions section, section in Rocket Money, and input details like account amount, date, and category. You can also download your Cash App transaction history and use it budgeting manually. Just open Cash App and go to activity and export your statement for a detailed view. So while there's not a direct way to link Cash App to Rocket Money, there's alternatives can help you track your finances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more finance tips. Thank you for watching.